I'm meeting them on Creek Road because I left my wallet back at the car. And I then rode the route in reverse and until I got to Cochranville, and then I took Homeville to Ross Fording to try to shave some miles off, because I'll wind up at about the same since I added 6 miles by going back to the car. Of course, here comes Wally leading the pack. This is Creek Road. He must have just left them in the dust. What an anomaly, huh? Freak of nature. The geriatric machine. Hi. How's it going? Everybody else coming?
Yeah.
Right behind you.
There's Mario.
Yeah, that was a good place to stop. You know, so they didn't have to come up this hill. He's probably a little protected.
Here you are. It's a video?
Yep. Who's that?
Hey, Mario.
Oh,
A little flip.
it's a little flip.
How you doing?
Hello.
Where's Doug and Debbie?
They're back there.